Are you looking for an interesting and engaging new way to market a new home listing in your area? Instead of printing flyers and posting the listing to social media, why not host a mega open house? These events can get quite a bit of traffic through the door if they're done well, and they can be a great way to generate leads for your real estate business. Yet hosting a mega open house is different from a traditional open house. This video will help you plan and execute this event so you can make it a success. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. So first off, let's start by understanding the mega open house. A mega open house is a tool real estate agents can use to get a large number of buyers and possibly their agents through the doors of the home. This is more than just an open house. Mega open houses are events that draw a crowd. This type of mega open house event aims to get as many people as possible to the event. To do that, you add entertainment, serve great open house food, or create a theme. This will be sure to draw in an excited crowd. For some great ideas for food to serve at your mega open house, check out my other video that I'll link above. Alright, so next, let's talk about the goal of a mega open house. So what is the goal of having a giant open house to draw a crowd? The goal isn't just to find a buyer, although sometimes that will happen naturally because some attendees will be potential buyers. However, this is not the ultimate goal. Actually, another goal of a mega open house weekend is marketing for yourself as a real estate agent. Having an event that draws a crowd gives you the chance to chat with prospective buyers and sellers, other agents, and people in the geographic farm market who might be interested in your services later. Okay, so let's talk about getting started with a mega open house. If you decide to host a mega open house, the key to a successful one is what you do before the event. While beautiful homes are helpful, your marketing is even more important. First, create a video of you standing in front of the home or touring it. Then, use that video on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts to pique interest in the event. Consider purchasing a Facebook ad, other social media ads, or posting ads in neighborhood community groups online. Next, invest in some signage because not everyone is on Facebook or social media. Make sure the signs show that this is more than just a regular open house that is so common in the real estate industry. Advertise it as a fun and exciting weekend event so that you'll get plenty of traffic through your listing. Create a flyer with information about the event and your listing that you can post on local community boards. The flyer should have your contact info and the details about the event. Even if it doesn't lead to as many visitors to the event as you hoped, it can still help your marketing by making more people aware of your real estate business. Finally, reach out to your broker and real estate agent contacts. Let them know you are the listing agent for the home and that you will be hosting the mega open house. This might encourage them to bring a home buyer or two through your property to increase your traffic. As the date for your mega open house approaches, make sure you're ready. This event is more than just a house tour. It needs to be exciting and entertaining. So get food, entertainment, and activities. Request help from friends and family if needed, and make it a memorable event that people will be glad they attended. So here's what goes down on the weekend of the event. When the event date comes, focus on getting to know each visitor who comes through the door. Hire some help to assist with food and activities so you can focus on face-to-face marketing. Then, open the door at the right time and invite in your guests. Stay friendly and circulate amongst the guests. Remember that you might be talking to a potential seller or buyer who just came for a fun weekend event, but who might need your services later on. Be sure to have your real estate business cards and pass them out to anyone who might need your services. Have a paper or electronic sign-in sheet where you can collect contact information for each person who comes to tour the property. Use these to send helpful real estate information that is complete with your brand message. These leads may turn into buyers or seller contracts into the future. And offer information at the event about your services at a realtor. Informative flyers about mortgages, interest rate levels, and tips for making better decisions with regard to your leads' real estate choices can help brand you as an expert. Consider having flyers with information about your current property inventory to potentially target a buyer who is not a good fit for the home that you have open. If you'd like a copy of my free open house sign-in sheet, check out my other video that I'll link above. So now let's talk about what happens after the mega open house. A successful open house requires follow-up. Every visitor and neighborhood contact is a potential for future business. After the open house, market to those people by sending a thank you postcard thanking them for coming. Avoid sending too many ads and frustrating these contacts, but don't be afraid to send occasional, valuable content to them to keep your services fresh in their minds. Remember, anyone in your target market can become a client in the future. By using the contact information they provide carefully, you can make the most out of the traffic you get at your mega open house. Some of the people who walk through the door will turn into potential buyers or future sellers. So be sure to capitalize on the event. Okay, so now let's hop into some frequently asked questions. Is there a mega open house checklist? There's no set checklist for your mega open house, though there are several things you should be sure to include if you want to make sure that you have a successful one. This includes enough food and beverage for a large crowd, live music or other types of entertainment, activities including for the kids, and themed decorations if it's a themed event. Speaking of themes, what are some theme ideas for a mega open house? A themed event is one way to make a mega open house inviting and successfully bring out people from your neighborhood. This is especially a good idea around the holidays. Also, you can consider these ideas that are sure to draw a crowd. You could do a lemonade or hot chocolate bar with baked goods, a burger bar, pop-up shops with local artisans. You could do a tour of new home decor trends. Also, you can incentivize guests with a raffle or major giveaway. And lastly, a wine tasting event. Well, that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Have you ever hosted a mega open house? If not, what's holding you back? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.